1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
We're getting exchanged.
Yeah, that guy got away from me. I'm sorry.
No problem, we can handle.
Destruction!
Could you
Beware.
Can you bring the guards? Or never mind.
Get those billows pumping!
Swan Furier joins server.
Engineers.
Destruction!
Two engineers.
We got an extra
And one of them ran away from me.
Okay.
Call in
I was
more
like, wait a second.
security!
Left side down, left side down.
Shit, the right side's at 100.
Beware.
We don't have an engineer.
Destruction!
You get the extra engineer now.
Beware.
Watch that shield.
Destruction!
The Fury has broken
Beware.
Need to move them.
Quick! Get it under control! Warlord, we have it under control!
Both sides down.
Correct.
Yep.
Move over to school.
Destruction!
Everybody on square.
Beware.
Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em out!
Okay, whoever's fixated, go to the square.
Beware.
Caller note is going in.
Whoa, Lexi. Channeling your inner insight.
Pull him a
Okay,
little closer.
there's two
Whoever's there.
elementals. Kill the
Pull 'em
just
closer.
kill the
There we
little
go.
one. Alright.
Everybody get ready on that.
Beware.
Or skull.
Alright,
Everybody on skull.
I have the dispels.
Beware.
Alright, let's get the fire
Kill the
collar.
fire collar. Interrupt it, please.
Beware.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Alright, whoever's fixated, come to triangle.
Erdican.
BRIAN2 joins server.
Beware.
Let's kill it. Guys, need some space here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
BRIAN2 left server. BRIAN2 joined server.
Needed just
Good job.
Let's get the fire collars down.
5,
Beware.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Interrupt, please.
Whoever's fixated, go to moon.
Beware.
already can.
Interrupt the slag if you can. Perfect.
Where's our slag at?
Right by moon.
He's on
There you
Also,
go.
ban? Okay, because I'm just killing the security until they until I see one.
Beware.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Everybody on skull?
Beware.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, taunt this defensive guy off.
I got him.
Great job. Fire collars.
Beware.
Looks like all the fire collars. That's good.
Whoever's
if you're fixated, come to moon. Let's call it out.
I'm on moon.
All right.
Beware.
Heals if you need to drink. Now'd be the time. Everybody on skull.
Beware.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Alright guys, everybody get to the back of the room. Back of the room.
We have
5,
Here's the volatile,
Four,
watch the volatile fires. We got a lot of them here.
1.
Spread out.
You got it on anybody?
Beware.
Taunt.
Destruction.
Boylock.
Got it.
Hero.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Are we all focusing on the heart? Just making sure he's on the right person.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Beware.
1. Five, 4, 3, 2,
Beware.
Taunting.
Stumpton needs big heals.
Beware.
Drown in fire.
5, 4,
Taunting.
3, 2, 1.
Let's keep it up, guys. Push it.
I'm dead.
Beware.
Let's get a res on death.
No, I'm dead too.
Another note.
Let's get a res on blast drop.
I'm taking it from.
Alright.
I'm down.
$25%.
Beware.
I ran through fire like an idiot.
Don't give up now. 18%.
Keep going, guys. You got
Stumped
this.
is dead.
No.
Push it, guys. Push it. Anything you got. Big cooldowns.
15%.
I consume all.
No.
Wow, that's a lot of damage. 10%. Dot it up.
Fire got me. It was actually slag pool that got me. 7%.
I consume all.
I'm out of
5%.
pots, unfortunately. I
Let's
don't
do
have anything
this.
I can do now.
Shit. 4%. Oh, so close.
Fire.
2 million. 2 million.
Come on.
Go spam, go. Go spam, go.
Come on, Spam, you can do this.
Solo spam.
Run, spam,
Just keep
run.
it yourself for a double.
I will burn this
Well, guys.
That's a hell of a good attempt there.
That was
Yeah.
amazingly awesome, guys.
Statistically, this fight's way harder than Maiden's, guys, so.
3% left.
I find that hard to believe considering how well this went compared to